Hi, I'm here with Bill. He's one of our clients that had a 1970 Monte Carlo fully nut and bolt restoration done. And Bill, could you tell us about your experience a little bit with That's Minor Customs?
It was a good experience. I mean, I learned a lot going through the car, you know, when you guys had it all apart, going through everything, just seeing all the nuts and bolts that actually go into the car.
How about when we got it back from the blaster?
I was shocked.
We were all shocked.
It was a lot worse than I actually thought it was going to be. No rear quarters, no floor pan, no trunk panels. Yeah, it was basic.
When we first looked at it in his garage, we thought it would be not so bad. There was just a little hole in the floor, I remember, by where the seat was, and we were like, oh, okay, no big deal. And then we got it back from the blaster, and it kind of like Swiss cheese a little bit back there. So, but you had a personal attachment to that car, didn't you?
I've had the car since 1982. I bought it when I was 19. Just happened to buy it on the side of the road, saw it, fell in love with it.
Well, this was a project that you started out on your own.
Yeah, when you got it, there was nothing really together.
Yeah, he was really good at taking it apart.
Yeah, that's my specialty. Putting it back together, that's a different story.
So now it's all done, and you've been driving it for how long?
2 years, 2 full summers.
2 full summers.
And I get a lot of stairs, a lot of waves. I've had it to Woodward twice, downtown Birmingham, and I get a lot of people stopping by and asking me about the paint, about just everything about the whole car. And I have a picture of that on my phone, and I show everybody, and they're like, "That is that."
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Yeah, it was."
And we're going to be bringing it here to Autorama next year, so look for it, 2019.